last vlog and last video of Puja vlogs actually. And today is the 5th of October, which is one day before Mahalaya. And tomorrow on 6th of October, we have our Kolkata Parikrama program. It's basically an event under our university, that is McCourt University. And we'll be getting some mark points for it, yeah. So I was just packing for it right now. And I am also going to give 2 gifts to my friend, Diya Adhikari and Mahashwara. They are coming with me as well. So I was just packing their gifts, so let's show you guys. So guys, abhi I'm going to show you the gifts which I got from my friends. The first thing I got is for Mahashwara, and which is a mini hair straightener. Now this is a very cute baby pink colored mini straightener, and Maha had been like wanting a straightener for the longest time. So I got this one for her, and the gift which I got for Diya. I mean, if someone would have given me something like this, I would be on cloud 16 and I'm not even kidding. So time she's been thinking that I'm going to give her earrings or something, which is not true at all. I'm actually giving her a t-shirt. Yeah. Now you ask me what's so special about a t-shirt. Now that is, I know, right? It's a little crazy. I got a customized t-shirt with her and Stefan, aka Paul Wesley's face. And now if you don't know, she is a huge fucking fan of Paul Wesley. Like, she's obsessed with him. That's the least I can say. So I think this was a little nice thing, like a nice little fun little thing. And for now, I just need to complete editing and the thumbnail thing. So I'm just rushing a bit.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one.
The next day.
Good morning guys, and Shubha Mahalaya. Today is the 6th and right now it's 9 AM. I took a shower, done everything, I wore my outfit. Only my makeup is left and I'm really excited. Everything's almost packed and my video is still uploading, so that's that. I'm really excited and let's just go.
Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride to. If you
So my makeup is almost done. As you can see, only lipstick is left. But फिलहाल break ही कर लेते हैं. Like my breakfast is ready. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna have for my breakfast today. So this is what we're gonna have for breakfast today. This is like vada, like the South Indian style vada without the hole in the between, lol. And then we have sambar over here. So this is my break. So this is my final finished look and I just paired it up with a bold lip. I don't know why I've been really liking wearing dark and reddish colors these days. And right now it is 10 o'clock. I'm done. My mom's just getting ready and we're just gonna go out. So I got into the auto right now. I don't even know if you can hear me properly. But in a few minutes I'm gonna be meeting Diya and Maha. There's a lot of people on the road. I don't know for what. Like today is Mahalaya and literally the bead, can't even imagine. Like it's so crowded. But now let's not grab a watch and
don't wanna change. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you
Hi! So I met them finally. The Uber is gonna come and we're gonna go. We are already running very late. I've still not given them their gifts. I'm really excited for that. So finally got into the Uber.
Opening the door for you.
Lol. So we reached Exide Mode, Robindra Sagar, we're in front of Haldia. And obviously we can't find the Rasta. Hi. So we are in front of Robindra.
Hello guys, welcome to our new channel.
Yeah.
New vlog.
New vlog, new video.
As usual.
But we are standing in front of Robindra Sagar and so like we are all melting. Like literally, all of us are melting and it's extremely hot. I cannot even. But
I don't know why am I doing this.
yeah, even I don't know. But yeah, that's COVID cholche khane. We are sitting here in the shade and Diya and Maha, they went to do their registration. Ours is done and we don't know what's going to happen. It's 12:15 already. Nothing has happened. Kuch nahi namna ki hobe. But garam lagcha hai, bahut garam lagcha hai. Udo.
I'm looking like a literally mess.
My makeup is melted off already.
And I'm looking like a sweaty, I don't know what.
Both of us. So right now we're in front of the Birla Planetarium. So we are clicking pictures of like random stuff. More Kunja Birla Planetarium. Now we'll have to go to Victoria Memorial and stuff. And that's basically our task. And for that we'll get points. But that's that. And we're super tired. My shoe is killing me literally.
don't wanna change, I can help you out. I can help you out. I can help you out.
To say I'm tired is the least. I literally put my hair up. You know, I was feeling so freaking hot. And abhi finally we got a place to sit outside. Hi. And we are still outside the St. Paul's Cathedral and we're just sitting. It is so freaking hot. I cannot even. My foot is like hurting like anything. And I'm extremely hungry.
Very.
And we literally We literally thought that the souvenirs were food.
मार्केट जाके
Jabo, please, Chol. I can't even. Let's go.
शुरू लागবে না
Yeah, Chol.
Not even saying because of the
No,
camera.
I'm saying finish Chol. Let's go. So finally the time has come when I'm going to be giving this woman her gift. So
Woman, okay.
Woman. Let me.
She didn't record my reaction
Because,
though.
हाँ ठीक है तो तू ही तो तारा बड़ा नहीं whatever. So we are going to record her reaction as well. Okay.
Wow! I love this. I love this one. It's so cute.
फोनটা
This band का that top that needs to wear.
Wow! Oh my god! This is.
देखा दिया I need to record.
I can't believe this.
And you yeah. Tanisha मैं तो picture office में तो भालो मॉड फोटो पड़ी ना.
This is literally my favorite picture of myself. Really? Nico Pankaj.
I didn't know that but I love the picture and I heard it.
I love this picture of him.
साड़ी पहने रंग बिरंगी गोरे ভালোবেসে একদিন দাও
I can help you out. I can help you out. I can help you out.
So we're finally in front of the Victoria Memorial and I've been saying this like प्रत्येक जगह किए and अभी we just clicked pictures of the Victoria Memorial had water like पानी खरीदा and then we tried out sunglasses and that was really funny but it's expensive, hella expensive and again यहाँ से we'll go back to London and I guess that will wrap up our trip. उसके बाद कहाँ जाएंगे आगे? So we are done at London. We came here a long time back. We took pictures. And, we are done right now, and I cannot feel my legs as I said. But now we are gonna go back. Because of Amra, I don't even know.
আমরা আপাতত KFC যাচ্ছি।
फिलहाल most of we are gonna go to KFC and to eat. Oh my God! It started raining again. আবার বৃষ্টি হচ্ছে. But right now we're just gonna go and খিদে পেয়েছে বহুত খিদে পেয়েছে.
আমি সাধারণ আমি ভালোবাসি আর তোমার নয়।
Here we go again.
Finally, after 1.5 years, I've come to Newmarket and I couldn't be any happier.
Also with friends.
With friends. That too for the first time. Friends this year.
Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no wonder right to. Here we go again. Call me up and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride.
So I was really hungry pehle, but now I'm like feeling a little giddy. So I'm just gonna have my chicken popcorn. I ordered a large chicken popcorn. Dia and Maha both ordered chicken popcorn, and they are having their. That's the update. Lol. And now this is gonna happen. So khana done. Now we're gonna probably go to lounge, and then I was planning to buy sunglasses, but इतना पैसा नहीं है उनके पास. But then also उसके बाद we'll go. That's how I spent my Mahalaya with my best friend and the entire world. Dia Adhikari.
I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't want
এই সানগ্লাসটা দেখাও আর কোনটা বলে এটা দেখা সানগ্লাসটা কত দেবে কি finally brought down the price of this sunglass from 320 to 160 so half the price we can definitely bargain your way in new bucket now take so freaking tired literally we are dead adjacent I can't feel my foot as I said and now we're going back home that's it that's the end of the day that's my Mahalaya and that's that also wraps up my Pujo Vlog series and that's that
to change.